All right, so here we have a 2014 Fiat 500. The customer is complaining that it's not accepting fuel. It's having a hard time filling the tank. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the charcoal canister on this vehicle because of this valve right here being the suspect of why it's not venting correctly. Fuel goes in, and then this is the line that the vapor goes out. So if this isn't breathing, the fuel's not going to be allowed to enter. So we're going to go ahead and replace the charcoal canister now. We'll start by removing our lines here. All right, so we might have to remove these two tins. Looks like the backside of that one clip is broken off there. All right, so here we have our new charcoal canister supplied to us by Auto Parts Direct to You. I'm going to go ahead and put it in now. Slide our hose connections back on, push the clip back down, and it will click back into place. This is our lock for the clip. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put our clip All right, then we slide it on until it clicks. Go ahead and put our lock back in. All right, make our electrical connection. Hook our vent line up to our filler neck. All right, so now we're ready to go drive this to the gas station and put some gas in.